Hello and welcome to Spark Academy Home Edition. My name is Sherl and today we are going to make something really cool. We're going to be combining two of my favorite things. We're going to do a little bit of art and we're going to do a little bit of music because today we are making music shakers. So what I did was I went into my art closet and I pulled out all different types of art supplies, from markers and paint and tape and scissors, ribbon. I just pulled out all kinds of fun things. I have some stickers, things that I think I would like to decorate my music shaker with. But we have to start off with, what are we going to make it out of? Now, I personally used a paper towel roll, but you can use just about anything. This is just a container. You can use an egg. Easter is coming up. I even had a leftover Valentine heart that I could not part with, so I also made one out of my heart. So what you're going to do is choose what you're going to put your items inside of to make your shaker. I am going to choose another paper towel roll. I'm going to take one end and I'm just going to staple it because you don't want the items to fall out. And here's the fun part. Now I get to fill it with all these wonderful things. I just went into my kitchen and I found fun things. I have birdseed, macaroni noodles, some beans, popcorn, and even rice. So, what do I want to choose? Oh, I know. Let's put a little bit of rice because I love the way the rice sounds inside my shaker. And I'm even going to add a little bit of popcorn. But guess what? You don't need a lot. You just need a little bit. Now, this is a cool thing. I have some tin foil. This is another way that you can close the end of your shaker. And I have a rubber band. And I'm just going to wrap it around a couple of times. Just like that. Now the fun part begins. I get to decorate. So I'm just going to add some different stickers. And a couple more on the front and the back. And then I'm going to take my markers and I'm going to write some encouraging words like, I don't know, love, joy, and peace. Because those are some of my favorite encouraging words. And ta-da! Guess what I have? A music shaker! And now the fun can begin. Create your own song. Sing a familiar song. Like, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. So you see, friends, you can make art and music. Have fun. Thank you so much for taking your time with me today.